So in this video, I will show you how you can create a totally free custom subdomain. So the first thing we need to do is head over to a browser, search for Infinity Free, and then click on the top search result right here, or you can just go to infinityfree.com. What you now need to do is you need to create a new account, and then once you've got an account, you will now be on your homepage. And then what we need to do once we're on our homepage, just click on create account. And then you want to go to the Infinity Free $0 forever plan. As you can see, you get 5 GB disk space, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited hosted domains. And then you can come down and then click on create now. Once we select create now, you can then choose the name of your subdomain. So I will put in Ryan tutorials 123, and then you can go to domain extensions. You've got this right here. Now, you're not going to get any of the premium extensions because this is a free subdomain. So you can choose from whichever one here you prefer. I will choose infi.uk, and then you can select check availability. Once we check availability, you want to go through all of this information. You can create a new account password, go down to email consent and select I approve. And then now you just simply need to click on create account. Once we click on create account, it will say we're setting up your hosting. This will take a few minutes and the page will continue automatically once this has finished creating. So as you can see, my custom subdomain has now been created. You can go into manage to manage this. And as you'll notice at the top, it can take up to 72 hours for new domains to be accessible. So keep this in mind once you have created your new subdomain. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.